Hi everyone, this is Yvonne with Trucking Up 404. In today's video, I'm going to cover different companies looking for couriers to transport items without using their personal vehicle. The first company I have presented is called MedSpeed. They're currently looking for box truck medical drivers, evening medical drivers, and also flex medical drivers, full-time and part-time. So as you can see, they have different opportunity available among different states. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on, let's see, medical driver, Austin, Texas, part-time. As you can see, Monday through Friday, they're looking for someone Monday through Friday from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. And they also provide the benefits they offer. As far as what your daily tasks will consist of, most of your day will be spent in a company-owned vehicle, safely driving and transporting lab, specimen, medical records, pharmaceutical, office supplies, and material. You also will be responsible for loading and unloading company vehicles. If you're interested in applying for this company, all you need to do is scroll down, click on apply. Also, I will leave the link in the description right below this video. The next company I have presented is called Driver Network Services. What you will be doing, you will be picking up customers' cars and taking it to the dealership to have service, and then also transporting the customer car back to the customer in a timely manner. They have different opportunities throughout many states, as you can see: Virginia, Georgia, North Carolina, Ohio, Connecticut. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the state of Florida. I'm going to go ahead and click on Coconut Creek, since that's the first one that came up. And as I mentioned before, you will be driving customers' cars, driving luxury cars, meeting and greeting people. The pay is around $18 an hour without using your own vehicle. Flexible hours between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you're interested in the company, all you need to do is scroll down and provide your information, and also hit the submit button. Now, the next company I would like to present is called LabCorp. They're currently looking for couriers as well among different states, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the one for Tampa, Florida. So as far as with this position, in this position, you'll be responsible for picking up, transporting, and delivering medical specimen, lab supplies, and reports. Included with this position is a company vehicle to use for your routes. In addition, for only $100 a month, you have the option of taking this vehicle home with you and using it for personal use. If you choose to use this company vehicle for personal use, all gas, tolls, and maintenance are covered by the company, which is a great incentive. If you're interested in applying for this company, all you need to do is scroll back up and click on apply. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and you all have a good day.